hiding these scars of life. Music just burns the pain. They couldn't see my dreams. They told me learn to trade. Hustle, I learned the game. Pistols, I learned to raise. Ahead of my time, getting brain at an early age. Niggas died young, I might revive Pac. Talent open doors like I left on the child lock. I'm Larry Davis, aspirations of Pappy Mason. When niggas clap you quicker than mothers at graduation. Spotted Dalmatians on some Cruella shit. We some real G's, 7 fletter shit. Crooked cops pull me over cause my melanin. For these punchlines I'm prime dancing with the devil, bitch. I am heaven sent, God write my verses. Flow so killer, nigga, I should drive hearses. You don't see sun shining, nigga, why buy curtains? I'm better at being bad, baby, why try perfect? I'm nice. This suit fit me like it's Grammy week. I'm the drug for the mainstream and the streets. These little niggas tryna earn a spot. All these fucking dead bodies on my mantelpiece. Tell me how I feel, tell me how I feel. I dress off the mannequin, but still I keep it real. Tell me how I feel, she love my sex appeal. Take a little pinch of tribe, mix it with a cup of drill. Ain't nothing to talk about, nigga bring the coffins out. Jealousy from fake friends, money kept us falling out. My nigga bought the chopper, let it stutter, Charles Barkley now. With a yellow bone, she always open like Waffle House. Every song is kill a nigga, rob a nigga, beat him. Pimp a bitch, slap a hoe, fuck a slut, eat him. Buy a brick, gold chain, Gucci clothes and sneakers. The kids are listening and we subconsciously mislead them in the jungle. Tell me what's the purpose of living, I'm just living to die. Spit with precision, the realest niggas can feel it. Cause I fit the description of drug dealers, a slit of the pie. Cold as the kids in the shop, these niggas switch up they bipolar. You started, but I finished it. Man, I hope the villain win. Fuck the whole crew club and she just got her membership. A million ain't nothing, my nigga, you only nigga rich. Stay drinking, Abe Lincoln, only time she innocent. They fucking up the game, what happened to Daddy Kane? Life is a bitch, that pussy is deep as a Cali gang. Niggas rollies is ticking, they rocking these shabby chains. I just put the family on, I'm Keenan Ivory Wayans. They love you when you dead, remember dark skin Jermaine. Man, I swear we not the same, you know I ain't bout them games. Pray the church gon' heal the pain, swerving in and out them lanes. She get fingered in that road, George Gervin type of thing. Crooked cop, man, I swear they nigga hunting. Pistol on me, you act like I can't repent or something. Top floor sweet, bitches call me Philip Drummond. Ferrari engine be sounding like a million niggas grunting. Every song is kill a nigga, rob a nigga, beat him. Pimp a bitch, slap a hoe, fuck a slut, eat him. Buy a brick, gold chain, Gucci clothes and sneakers. The kids are listening and we subconsciously mislead them in the jungle.
Expect me, nigga, like you expect Jesus to come back. Expect me, nigga.